We'll guide you through how to use CapCut video filters to enhance your videos. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. This will take you to the editing workspace. Import your video by clicking on the Import button located at the top left corner and select the video file you want to edit. Once your video is imported, drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen to begin editing. To apply a filter, go to the top left-hand side of the screen and click on Filters. You'll see a variety of filter options categorized by style and mood. Hover over each filter to preview its effect on your video. Click on the filter you like to apply it. You can adjust the intensity of the filter by dragging the slider that appears on the right. If you want to apply different filters to different sections of your video, split the video in the timeline where you want the filter to change. You can do this by selecting the video and clicking the Split button above the timeline. Then, apply a different filter to each section. This allows for creative transitions and mood changes in your video. Remember that you can always undo any changes by clicking the Undo button at the top, so feel free to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect look. Once you're satisfied with your filters, click the Export button at the top right of the screen to save your edited video. You can choose the video quality and format before exporting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.